If you have any difficulty, you can put your difficulty on chat box. I will share my screen. I hope it is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
So in the last class, I think we stopped at population and sampling unit. We have, I think, population is done, right? So go to chat. So maybe I have mute to all. So you can go to chat box and you can write it on chat box, because it is not possible to like opening, because you will be disturbed by other students. So we have seen the population. Voice is not clear. This problem, I don't know what is the problem with internet or maybe software, because अभी तक बराबर चल रहा था. As I shared my screen, we are getting difficult. I'll stop sharing this. Just a minute.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है क्लियर आपका.
Sir, voice is breaking.
Again,
Yes, sir.
मतलब शेयर कर रहे हैं तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कुछ, तो शेयर नहीं करना पड़ेगा अपने को.
सर वहाँ नेट प्रॉब्लम है.
बोलिए. जस्ट होल्ड.
और ज्योति जी कैसी हो?
चुपना.
I don't know, but here the connectivity is showing strong. There's no problem with connectivity.
सर आप जब वो वीडियो शेयर कर रहे हो तभी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
मतलब स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना?
हाँ तभी, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है.
वैसे बात कर रहे हैं तो बराबर आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ क्लियर आवाज आ रहा है.
अभी बराबर आवाज आ रहा है?
हाँ सर, आ रहा है.
अच्छा, अभी मैं शेयर स्क्रीन करता हूँ, जरा देखो जरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या बराबर? अभी बराबर आवाज आ रहा है क्या, चेक करो.
हाँ सर.
अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ.
I don't know what is, maybe some problem with software, because I'm getting continuously call, even my teachers also कि ऐसा प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रहा है?
अब नहीं आ रहा है सर, वापस ब्रेक हो रहा है. ब्रेकिंग.
जब स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं तभी वो टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. Okay, so actually this is the software problem, this is not our problem. Okay, so what I do now,
yes sir.
I'll try to share my other board. Maybe let me see whether in that board it is working or not. So if in that board, if it will work, it will be good for us. Otherwise I have only one solution. What I can do, you go to classroom and just download that file, and you can see that file. I can explain like I can say speaker, like audio. ठीक है, ऑडियो में जैसा बात होता है वैसा मैं बोलूंगा, आप सुनो समझो, और कुछ डिफिकल्टी है तो वी कैन टॉक लाइक फोन में जैसा बात होता है ना, वैसा हम लोग बात करके. देखो शेयरिंग स्क्रीन कर रहा हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो दिस इज नॉट एक्चुअली इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज द जूम प्रॉब्लम. सो मुझे वो थोड़ा सा उनको मेल करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वो प्रॉब्लम हो ही रहा है एक्चुअली. तो अभी मैं एक नोटपैड शेयर कर रहा हूँ, जरा आप चेक करो कि मतलब उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्या. अदरवाइज वेयर इज दैट नोटपैड? Just a minute. So many files, that's why I cannot able to see that. Yeah. So I have shared the another screen. Can you hear me now? Is it?
यस सर, आ रहा है, आवाज आ रहा है।
नहीं
यस
आ
सर,
रहा
आ
आवाज?
रही है, आ रही है सर, क्लियर
आ रही है आवाज?
Yes,
सर आ
sir.
रही है।
अभी हाँ ठीक है, जब नहीं आवाज आएगी तो मुझे बताना, ठीक है? तो विल कंटिन्यू।
sir.
तुम I will unmute to all, but make sure that you do not disturb your friends. So that very important thing is that you can work on this. Okay. So if you have
Okay, sir.
any difficulty, you can put on chat or you can write it down in your notebook, and then we will see maybe within this given frame or maybe at the end of sessions. Okay. So this is I have shared not PPT. This is I have shared the what do you call PDF file. Okay. So let me you can work on that. So sample survey.
पे है ना ये सर, एक्सेल पे है
Sorry.
सर, ये एक्सेल पे है ना पीडीएफ बनाया जो आपने?
नहीं नहीं, ये एक्सेल पे नहीं है. दिस इज वन नोट फॉर विंडो. यू कैन सी एट टॉप.
अच्छा 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 सर।
Just because I have kept other options, because sometime when we shared some issue will be there, तो उसके लिए ये मतलब एक options रखा है. So maybe it will work. Anyways, so just adjusting the screen so that you can able to see the screen. Okay, so this is the last time we have seen. Hope you can able to see this population. Can you able to see the population?
Yes.
Yep. So now in this time I will not want to click.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Okay. So population we have seen in the last class. Let's move to the MCQ is also done, I think. Let's see census. So what basically census? In census we usually take the information about a very small thing. Small thing means generally whenever there is an election or maybe you can say survey on a smaller part, it is called basically a sample survey. But when you talk about census survey we have to take a entire complete information about any particular survey. So important is that here when you talk about the observation all sampling unit in the population. So if you talk about household, let's say the collection of household. In a household, how many fans are there, how many lights are there, how many members are working, how many members are not working, how many are using TV, how many TVs are there, etc. So these are basically complete information, means you need to take all information about that particular survey. So that is called basically a census survey. Census survey is always conducted at every 10 months. Okay, always remember. So there may be some objective questions. Census survey is conducted in how many area, how many years. So you can always go for 10th year. So every 10th year, generally census survey conducted. Next is basically a sample survey. So we have seen what is sample survey. So sample survey, as I have already mentioned, sample survey means if we have like
सर हेलो
सर आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है।
सर आवाज ब्रेकिंग सर
सर फिर से प्रॉब्लम होने लगा।
फिर प्रॉब्लम होने लगा। Give me some time. Give me some time. Now there should not be any glitch. If there is glitch, then I will going to use my mobile phone to take a session on this, because I don't think. Now, may I audible to all now?
नो सर
Let's see now. I hope it will work now, because I have connected my mobile data to laptop, but Wi-Fi now there is no use. Okay. Okay. अच्छा, by the way, जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे आपको जो मैं अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ आप देख पा रहे हैं क्या? Whatever I'm drawing here, one or more sampling unit. Are you able to see this?
Breaking.
Sorry. Can you able to see that whatever I'm writing on this here?
Yes sir.
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sample survey means we are collecting a smaller, we are collecting the small information from the larger population. Means population is a very large part, and we are taking a small unit, one can say, and we are working on that. Is called a sample survey. So sample consists of only the portion of population unit. Okay. So sample survey means we are just taking the portion of a population unit. You can call proportion of proportion also. That is the meaning of sample. So such a collection of unit is called as a sample. Then we have in this contrast, we have the collection of like household. So if we are collecting the information about household, people, cities, countries, etc., they are basically all are the sample. Then a census is a 100% sample, and it complete the counts of population. So it complete count of population is called census. So I have included. So little bit is a comparison here. In the sample, we take a smaller part, or you can say out of 100%, I can take 10%, 20%, 30% based on the objective. But in the case of census, we always go for the 100%. Then we have a sampling frame. So this is a very important. Sampling frame is what actually? Sampling frame is a very important. Why it is important? Generally, when you see the let's say voter ID list, or you can say in particular society there is some number is there, room number is there. Room number you are knowing, right? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. So if you want to go to particular house, there is some number allotted to that house. That is called sampling frame. So sampling frame is what? It's a list of all unit of population. So population means we have a very big unit, and out of that unit we have listed all the units. Listed means given serial number. So for example, Mr. A is given room number A, Mr. B is given room number B. So you want to visit Mr. A room, then you should know that particular number. So all sampling unit in the population, basically it is nothing but known as a sampling frame. Why it is sampling frame? Because you have to make a frame. Like number 1 will be given this number, number 2 will be given this number, and so on. Okay. Then for example, all the students in a particular university listed along with their roll number. So if I wanted to know any student who is particular this number and what is their roll number, so generally you will be find the roll number. I cannot able to memorize their name and address, everything. I just want this particular roll number who is basically failed in this paper. So sampling frame is very important. So always when you collect the data, you should always make a sampling frame. Which observation is important? and based on that you can create a sampling frame. So we will have a different technique to selected sampling frame that I will discuss maybe coming lectures. So there is one you can I hope you can either you can say, or you can go to chat box and just write down. Now you can now I'm just covering that answer. You can able to just see the screen. Sampling frame is the term used for. Go to chat box and write your answer. Go to chat box and write your answer. Okay, so majority answer is D. So I think D is correct answer, because list of house. So list of house means what? Obvious. If you have list of house, number is given, so that is in order. ऐसा नहीं है नंबर 1 इधर है, नंबर 2 उसके, नंबर 10 उसके बाजू में है, फिर नंबर 20 उसके बाजू में. No, it's given always in order. Voter ID list. It's very example, very famous example for sampling frame is a list of voter IDs. See, when you visit any voter ID, they will ask you what is your serial number. They will not ask you their name, because एक आदमी same name के there are thousands of member, so they will ask you what is serial number. वो serial number फटाक से कंप्यूटर में डालेगा and you will get all your biodata. Similarly, you have a list of village in a district. So list of village are there. So list means some. See, generally in village there is a not a list, but that is all basically given by the all gram panchayat. Gram panchayat gives gram panchayat having the list, but usually in village we don't have number 1, number 2, number 3. But gram panchayat knows very well. So list of villages are there in district. Then we have a, so that means all of this. That's why answer is D. Okay. So we'll move to the little bit. What is the parameter? What is statistics? Okay. Now, if I mention parameter, maybe parameter means, if name itself it's showing parameter means something which you need to calculate. So if I say what is your parameter, that means you are interested to compute something. Okay. So parameter in the sense, if I see this usual definition, when we can describe the sample and population by using measures such as mean, standard deviation, etc., then we call. So when you describe sample, it means it is statistics. When you describe population, it means it is parameter. So we'll take the example how it is work. How this can be clearly understand. Okay. So suppose when these terms describe the characteristics of population. Now, what is the characteristics? What is the characteristics? Characteristics of the population. When any term describe the characteristics of population, we call as parameter. If I talk about in terms of real life, suppose you are interested, what is the average income of? So we are interested for average income. Okay. So we are interested for average income. Average income. So I'm not using any board for a being. So that means I'm interested in mu. I'm interested in mu. So mu is your population. I'm interested in what will be my population variance. So whenever you deal with a population or characteristic of population, they are called as a parameter. When they describe the characteristics of sample, so what is the sample now? What is the characteristic of sample? The characteristic of sample means, now this mean you can obtain using small x, right? That means you are obtaining this, you are taking the help of samples. That's why it is called a statistic. The statistics is basically what? It contains all information about x. Means it can be x, it can be summation x square, it can be summation x minus x bar square upon n minus 1. So it is all basically it is a function of x. I can say it is a function of x. So statistics is a function of x, where the population, sorry, where the parameter is an unknown parameter, and you are estimating this parameter with the help of samples. So that is a basic difference between these two. So the parameter of characteristic of the population. So what I mentioned here, parameter is a characteristic of population, where statistics is a characteristic of sample. So if I talk about statistics, means it is a characteristics of samples. So what I mentioned, statistics is a based on sample, where parameter based on population. Population means I am just correlating. For example, let's say if I'm saying on an average, any particular person income is 1,000 rupees, for example, 1,000 rupees. So what will be average population in that location? तो मैंने एक स्टूडेंट्स को लिया, उस पर मैंने वर्कआउट किया एंड आई फाउंड दैट कि ऑन एन एवरेज इसका सैंपल, उसका एवरेज इनकम इतना है. So if I'm relating this with my whole population, what will be my interpretation? So that is basically a parameter. So whenever you're dealing with small sample and you are relating to bigger population, then that is called parameter. But this parameter is unknown, which you have to calculate always. So that is the things always you just remember. Then we have here estimator and bias. So what is estimator? So statistics which is used. Statistics, now we have seen what is statistics. Okay, statistics, we have seen what is statistics. So statistics is basically what it is. The statistics is basically, it's a function of x. I have already mentioned statistics means it's a function of x, function of x square and so on. So the statistics whose calculated value is used to estimate the population parameter is known as estimator. तो अभी मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं I am interested to obtain the average income of particular household or average height of particular person. तो average height निकालने के लिए I may not obtain the average height because of it is the population. मैं population पर work नहीं कर सकता हूँ because I have to take 1.2 crore population. That is very difficult task for us. So what I do, I will take few samples. So among that sample, now it may happen there may be error. So that is we'll talk about later coming session. तो अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैंने samples ले लेता हूँ मैं, और that sample से मैं summation x निकालता हूँ और divide by n करता हूँ, which you generally called as x bar. Okay, so this mu and x bar is, so this x bar is the statistics which is used to, means I'm using this to calculate mu. I'm using this to calculate mu is called as estimate. So whenever you are using any statistics and you're calculating the population parameter is called as estimator. Always remember. Huh? So this is some terminology which you have to just understand. ये सब आप maybe coming session will be understand statistics कैसे दिखता है, कैसे क्या होता है. तो जब when we go for derivations part, then better you can understand. तो यहाँ पे example भी दिया है, sample mean x bar. तो यहाँ पे x bar नहीं है. जब वैसे whenever you write in your notes, take down in bracket it is x bar. Sample mean is an estimate of population. Why I'm saying it is an estimate of population mean? Because I am calculating this mu with the help of this x bar. Similarly, one can estimate s square with the help of sigma square and so on. What is the bias? Bias means, now if I have calculated here, for example, now I have calculated here. Now I'll tell you what is the meaning of bias. Bias means you have an actual value mu hat, right? You have actual value mu hat and you are calculated x bar. Sorry, not mu hat, it is mu. It is mu, not mu hat. That means you have an actual income of student, actual marks of students, and based on the sample, you have obtained their marks. Are you getting me my point? Please go to chat box because everything is silent. Are you getting my point? Go to chat box, just write down. What is the meaning of bias? I have actual marks of students. I can say, let's say on an average, 90% students score good marks. This is my assumption, means I assume that that is my mu. And now I'm saying, based on the sample or based on their mark list, I have calculated their percentage or mean, which is coming something 80% or 85%. Okay. So what I found, if I take the difference between expected value of t, matlab x bar, minus mean, you can able to see this one. See the definition. Expected value of t minus mu, it is nothing but the bias. If this difference I can say x bar minus mu, if this difference is coming 0, then I will say that there is I can say it is unbiased. Unbiased means all are everybody satisfied. Means I am saying 90% and students score approximate 90%. That means all is absolutely correct. So there is no bias. There is no bias. But if the difference is not equal to 0, that means there is some bias, and one can able to find those bias with the help of some technique. Okay, so that technique we have to find. Now here, bias can be positive, bias can be negative. Positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है. We will see the example where it can be positive, it can be negative. Okay, so that is the basically difference between the bias and estimate. I hope it is clear. I don't know whether. Okay, let's take one MCQ questions. Okay, I hope you can able to see the screen. A function of variate for estimating a parameter. A function of variate for estimating the parameter. Go to chat box and write down the answer is called as what? So I'm just opening the chat box. Check the chat box. Yeah. Chat box open हो गया. Answer is okay. Answer is coming B. Correct. So I think majority answer is given B. I hope it is B. Let me see the chat box. Yeah, answer is B. Correct. Where is the screen? Okay. Okay. So this is the answer is B. Now what happened? Whenever you select any sample, so this is a very important technique. Generally, you call random sample, but actually it is random or not, we don't know. Okay, so this is the way you can understand. So there are two possible ways to ensure the selected sample is representative or not. मतलब अगर आप कोई भी sample select करते हो, तो important क्या है, जो भी sample आप select करो, वो population को represent करना चाहिए. Then it is a good sample, otherwise it is a bad sample. Bad sample in the sense it is a sample, but it is not representing the population. So that basically you understand. So there are two ways. One is a random sample or probability sample. Other one is a non-random sample. So what it meaning? What is the meaning? I'll tell you what is a random sample. Now, a random sample means whenever selection of a unit in a sample from the population is governed by the chance or probability is known as you can call random sample, or the probability of selection of a unit can be equal or ठीक है, वो तो डेफिनेशंस दिया है और टर्मिनोलॉजी। रैंडम सैंपल का मतलब क्या? फॉर एग्जांपल, in a class there are 100 students. Okay, there are 100 students, and out of that I am just pick up one student and start asking the questions. Okay, then I stop, I start asking that question on other students. I call other students and again I ask questions. So this is, I am selecting the I am just selecting the person randomly. If that person is again pick up but not included in the sample, ठीक है, मैं वो स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाया, उसका फीडबैक लिया और उसको साइड में कर दिया, तो आई हैव एक्सक्लूडेड वन पर्सन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो अनइक्वल होगी. आर यू गेटिंग द व्हाई इट इज इक्वल एंड अनइक्वल? सो if that students again send back to the population, then a probability become equal. But if it is not same, then it is going to be unequal. Now why it is called chance? Chance means probability. Chance means probability. So probability can be same. So whenever you attached any probability, it is basically called as random. But if you are not thinking of probability, that means it is a non-random sample. Non-random sample मतलब क्या? अभी अब for example मैं बोलता हूँ कि in the market we have a launch new type of shampoo. For example, एक नया एकदम मस्त शैम्पू हम लोग ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, और अभी इसका शैम्पू इंट्रोड्यूस किया, तो इंट्रोड्यूस करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, मार्केट में उसको उसका डिमांड होना चाहिए और उसका सेल होना चाहिए, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, तो आई विल टारगेट द पॉपुलेशन. अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं पहले, मुझे मालूम है हाँ ये मेरी फ्रेंड है या मेरा ये दोस्त है, मैं इससे पूछूंगा भाई कौन सा शैम्पू यूज करता है. ओके, अच्छा ये यूज करता है, ओके ठीक है, चल मेरे पास एक अच्छा शैम्पू है जो तेरे को एकदम तेरा हेयर निकाल देगा पूरा, मतलब डैंड्रफ निकाल देगा पूरा. ओके, सो ओके तो बोलेगा ठीक है, तो वो क्या करेगा, दूसरे को बोलेगा, तीसरे को बोलेगा. इससे क्या हो रहा है, आई एम टारगेटिंग द पॉपुलेशन, आई एम टारगेटिंग माई सैंपल. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अपने मन से, this is I have selected a sample, where there is no probabilities attached, not governed by the probability chance. ये मैंने क्या है, अपने मन से ये बच्चे को ले लिया. इसको हम लोग कोटा सैम्पलिंग बोलते हैं, जजमेंट सैम्पलिंग भी बोलते हैं. जजमेंट सैम्पलिंग मतलब क्या, ये मैंने जज किया भाई ये मेरा स्टूडेंट है, ये मेरा फ्रेंड है, चल ये सैंपल ले लेगा, इट इज गुड फॉर मी एंड साइड टू साइड मेरा बिजनेस. परपेचुअल सैंपल भी बोलते हैं. तो बेसिकली ये सब सैंपल्स क्या होते हैं, जहाँ पे आप लोग खुद से उसको वो पर्सन को बोलते हैं या कहते हैं, उसमें कुछ प्रोबेबिलिटी अटैच नहीं. मतलब मैं बोला मेरा टारगेट ये है, ओके मेरा टारगेट ये है, ये मेरा फ्रेंड है, चल भाई इसको देखते, अगर अच्छा हुआ तो लेगा, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग देखेंगे बात. So here I am not attaching any probability. Okay, so if you have any doubt related to this, we will see in the few more slides. Okay, then just example I have given, the units are selected on the basis of personal judgment. तो मैंने बोला ना आपको, जब कभी भी आपके पर्सनल जजमेंट के ऊपर आप वर्कआउट करते हो, तो वैसे टेक्निक को हम लोग बोलते हैं नॉन रैंडम सैंपल. अभी यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया देखो, पर्सन्स वॉलंटियरिंग टू टेक द मेडिकल टेस्ट. अगर मेडिकल टेस्ट आपको लेना है या कुछ, या फिर ड्रिंक अ न्यू टाइप ऑफ कॉफी, अगर नया टाइप की कॉफी को अगर आपको चेक करना है कि कैसा है, तो बेसिकली ये सब नॉन रैंडम सैंपल. इसमें मैं क्या करूंगा, पर्सन के लाइक और डिसलाइक के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा कि मेरा कॉफी कैसा है और नहीं. तो हियर आई हैव अ कोटा सैम्पलिंग, here I have a judgment sampling. Okay, so this sampling is not in your syllabus because it's basically a difficult type of sampling. There is no quantitative things arises, it is all qualitative. You understood what is a quantity and qualitative. तो क्या होता है, जब कभी भी आप सैंपल करते हो, सैंपल लेते हो, मे बी यूजिंग रैंडम सैम्पलिंग और मे बी यूजिंग नॉन रैंडम सैम्पलिंग, तो इट मे हैपन देयर इज some type of error will be arises. Okay, error का chances है, तो error का chances है, तो दो टाइप के error आते हैं, सैम्पलिंग एरर और नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर. तो अभी सैम्पलिंग एरर क्या होता है, नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर क्या होता है, ठीक है. तो आई विल ब्रीफ आउट व्हाट इज सैम्पलिंग एरर. तो सैम्पलिंग एरर So sample is a part of population. Everybody knows sample is a part of population. It cannot be expected generally to supply full information about population. Okay, तो full information नहीं देता है, वो तो हमको मालूम ही है. Okay, but ध्यान से देखो, it cannot expected generally to supply full information. So there is, in most cases, difference between statistics and parameter. Now you know what is statistics, what is parameter. Statistics means you have summation x, means some function of x, and you can call parameter means it's a mu or maybe sigma square and anything. So the discrepancy between parameters, मतलब इसका और इसका difference जो आएगा, अगर वो निग्लिजिबल हुआ, मतलब अगर इक्वेटेड टू 0 हुआ तो नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर, बट अगर इक्वल टू 0 नहीं हुआ देन इट इज कॉल्ड सैम्पलिंग एरर. मीन डिस्क्रिपेंसी बिटवीन पैरामीटर एंड इट्स एस्टिमेट इज ड्यू टू सैम्पलिंग प्रोसेस. मतलब अभी डिफरेंस आ रहा है, मतलब जो सैंपल आपने यूज किया है वो सैंपल बराबर रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहा है पॉपुलेशन. दैट्स व्हाई सैम्पलिंग एरर इज अराइजिंग. तो यहाँ पे शायद एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, आई डोंट नो द एग्जांपल इज देयर. Sampling error is in much occur due to non-representative of sample selected for the observation. मैंने बोला ना, आपने जो भी sample select किया हुआ है, is that sample representing a population? For example, मैंने बोल दिया कि daily wages of particular person in my locality is, let's say, daily I'm talking, let's say 500 rupees. Okay, but I found that actually it is not 500, it's 300. तो अभी क्या हो गया, अभी जो 500 मुझे मिला that is the fix, but sample से मैंने जो निकाला वो 300 मिला. तो it may happen the data which I have collected, there may be some error in that data. Okay, that is called sampling error. That is a very important concept you can always understand. Now what is non-sampling error? What is non-sampling error? So non-sampling error is basically it happens always. Okay, you no need to worry. जैसे कि अभी मैं lectures conduct कर रहा हूँ, but in between there is some technical problem like internet or maybe the software, etc., etc. So that is called chance error, or that is called human error. Human error means automatically it comes. We can't do anything in that case. Okay, we can't do anything in this case. अगर मैं इसकी बात करूँगा, in all survey some errors may be occurred during the collection of actual information. अभी क्या होता है, जब कभी भी आप कोई सर्वे करने जाते हो तो कुछ न कुछ समटाइम कुछ न कुछ प्रॉब्लम मतलब हो जाता है कि कुछ आप किसी स्टूडेंट्स या किसी पर्सन से आप कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हो, बट इट मे हैपन यू मिस्ड आउट वन क्वेश्चन. जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है वही नहीं पूछा, बाकी सब पूछ लिया. तो इट मे हैपन, इट इज कॉल्ड चांस एरर, इट इज कॉल्ड नॉन. तो ड्यू टू नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर कब होता है? नॉन, तो ऐसे जो सैंपल मिलते हैं उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर की वजह से वो सैंपल मिलता है. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको हम लोग एडजस्ट करते हैं, भाई चल इसके बेसिस इतने लोग का रिस्पॉन्स इतना है, इसके बेसिस पे हमको उसका रिस्पॉन्स लेंगे. तो नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर इज एरर अराइजेस फ्रॉम ह्यूमन एरर. और अभी देखो ऐसा नहीं कि ये एरर ही था. अभी सपोज आपने डेटा कलेक्ट कर लिया लेकिन मेथड ही रॉन्ग आपने यूज किया, प्रोसीजर ही आपने रॉन्ग किया हुआ है, प्रोसीजर जो यूज कर रहे हो वो भी रॉन्ग है आपका, तो ये भी हो सकता है. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर. दैट इज द, यू कैन ऑलवेज understand what is the difference between sampling and non-sampling. So non-sampling is actually based on sample, whereas sampling error is actually based on sample, where the non-sampling is due to chance of maybe your human error. Okay, maybe you are not using proper method, etc., etc. So that's why it is a non-sampling error. Okay. So another let's see. Okay, let's go to MCQ type. Go to chat box. Go to chat box and write down your answer. Go to chat box and write down your answer. Sampling error can be reduced by. How you can reduce sampling error? How you can use how to reduce your sampling error? What is the answer? Okay, Okay. Answer I'm getting so far D. D is your answer. I don't know if D is answer or not, but your answer is coming D. Okay. Yeah, answer is D. Because sampling error reduce कैसे होगा आपका? एक तो choosing a proper probability sampling method या selecting sample of adequate size. देखो selecting a sample of adequate size मतलब size जो आप सिलेक्ट करोगे वो एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है कि आप साइज क्या लेना चाहिए. मतलब आप कुछ भी सर्वे करते हैं तो उसमें साइज कितना होना चाहिए so that it will not give me the error. Okay. Other thing, suitable formula. You have to use proper suitable formula for estimation. So I think all are correct. Answer will be okay. Go to next one. Go to next one. Discrepancy between sample estimate and population parameter is known. It is straightforward. What is the answer? What is the answer? Discrepancy between sample estimate and population parameter estimate. Okay. So answer is D. Okay, great. Okay. Aryan Dubey, D. Great. Okay. So answer is sampling error. So this is a straightforward formula itself. So these type of questions can be expected in your internal examination. Okay. So you can just go through this PPT, and once I have completed this, what is called what is called this PPT, you go to the classroom. Which classroom? Google Classroom. Go to that classroom and complete your quiz 1 assignment. So quiz 1 is based on this PPT. Okay. So now you can see these questions here. I have included this type of survey. The type of survey will be not asked in your examination. This is just for your knowledge. Okay, just for your knowledge. So I'm just giving why I'm telling, because it is for your knowledge. Because whenever you conduct any survey or maybe anything, कुछ भी आप डेटा कलेक्शन करते हैं तो डेटा जो कलेक्शन होता है वो बहुत सारा फील्ड है डेटा कलेक्शन का. तो यू कैन सी फर्स्ट वन टाइप ऑफ सर्वे. तो टाइप ऑफ सर्वे क्या क्या होता है, मतलब कितने टाइप के सर्वे आप कर सकते हो. तो पहला जो सर्वे है वो है आपका डेमोग्राफिक सर्वे. डेमोग्राफिक सर्वे मतलब क्या? यू आर कलेक्टिंग the data based on household. मतलब एक एरिया आपने ले लिया, you call this, let's say this location and their location, and you are taking particular household and you are finding what is the family size, number of male female, number of male families, number of female families, and so on. So you are just taking the area. So whenever considering any area or demographic area, it is called demographic survey. अभी डेमोग्राफिक सर्वे क्या करते हैं हम लोग, जैसे कि ये रीजन में लो इनकम के पीपल है, तो ये रीजन में हाई. तो इफ आई से IIT Powai, IIT Powai like a very posh area, okay, but if I say like Dharavi, don't take it up to religion, I'm just taking example. So if I say IIT Powai, it's very big, like everybody knows. Even Dharavi is everybody knows, but I will see, I'm just comparing their income group. So it's a very so region wise it affects. That's why it is called demography. So whenever you collect the data based on demography, it's a basically a demographic survey. What about educational? Educational is a very simple. Educational means you are just finding in your school, in a college, you are doing survey. How many students passed in TYBSC, or what is the percentage? If this percentage, then these students go out, whether he is going for further studies, and so on. So that is basically called educational survey. So why I'm telling this, because now I think there are total 50 of 40 students. You can work and all students make a group of 2 students, and you can take one topic, take one survey, and try to explore a few ideas, prepare a questionnaire and everything. That you can work. That I will discuss in maybe in the coming session. Then we have economic survey. Economic survey matlab kya? You want to see what is the economic सर्वे मतलब आपका इकोनॉमी कैसा है, इंपोर्ट हो रहा है बराबर, एक्सपोर्ट हो रहा है बराबर, प्रोडक्शन कैसा है, कंजम्पशन कैसा है, तो दैट इज ऑल बेसिकली इकोनॉमिक सर्वे. ओके, देन वी हैव अ हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन, इसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. हेल्थ सर्वे, WHO, lot of things they are doing. So they are saying do yoga, do exercise, take this vitamin, take that vitamin. Okay, so that's all basically a health survey. Then we have agriculture. Agriculture means name itself it's saying agriculture. Agriculture मतलब production कितना हो रहा है wheat का, इसका, etc etc. Okay. Then we have a marketing survey. Marketing मतलब क्या, अभी जैसे मैंने शैम्पू का एग्जांपल दिया, तो एक नया लॉन्च हुआ है, you want to do marketing of this particular product and we want to keep this as a brand. तो ये ब्रांड लाने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग को मार्केटिंग करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स कॉल्ड मार्केटिंग सर. जैसे अभी जियो का सिम कार्ड आया था, तो एवरीबॉडी डूइंग मार्केटिंग ऑफ दैट, so that's why it is called marketing. Then election survey, I think there is no doubt you are just collecting the data, सब प्रॉपर आदमी है कि नहीं है, मतलब इन केस कोई एक्सपायर हो गया है फिर भी इलेक्शन में अपना नाम आता है, तो ऐसे सर्वे हम लोग बेसिकली कॉल्ड इलेक्शन सर्वे. देन पब्लिक पोल एंड सर्वे. अभी पब्लिक पोल सर्वे क्या होता है, देखो अभी आपके इसमें क्या बोलते हैं, आपके स्क्रीन पे I can't see my poll. Okay. अभी आपकी स्क्रीन पे, जस्ट स्क्रीन पे देखो आप, तो आपके स्क्रीन पे एक पोल आएगा. देखो स्क्रीन पे आपको पोल आएगा, आपको आंसर देना है यस और नो. ओके ओके, I have total 37 students. You have to say yes or no. There is no problem. Somebody say no, there is no doubt at all. I am just giving the demo. Means how it works. No problem. So if you are not enjoying, you can say no. If you are enjoying, you can say yes. No problem. Still, there are few students remaining. 28 out of 37, 75% done. बाकी सब students सुन नहीं रहे लग रहा है मुझे. I am doubt. 30 हो गया. 7 are remaining. 31 हो गया. 6 students are just open their like Zoom चालू कर दिया है. बाकी I don't know what they are actually doing. I don't know that. 5 are remaining. Okay. I'm waiting for 5. They are not listening me. They've just started their phone and they went out for like have a tea and everything. Okay. Still good. 33 is done. 4 is remaining. Okay. So they are 4 actually just like attendance purpose. Okay. Anyways, so this is basically called as I'm just ending this poll. So I found that 85% of students are enjoying the session and 15% are not enjoying it. I don't know. So for 15%, we'll do something extra so that they can enjoy and the next time we'll get 100% chance. Okay, fine. I end the poll. Okay. So what it means that this is called as a public poll and survey. So that's why I shown you that this is called public poll. Public polls means I'm just taking the survey whether they like or not like. Then we have a campus survey. Campus survey you are knowing कि जैसे कॉलेज में अपने सर्वे होता है कि किसको जॉब करना है, तो जॉब तो कैंपस सर्वे. तो कैंपस सर्वे मतलब आपके कॉलेज में ही इंटरव्यूज होगा and you will get selection, you will get all like jobs in the college only. That's called campus survey. तो कैंपस सर्वे मतलब डिफरेंट कॉलेज में जाके आप सर्वे कर सकते हो कि आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में कैंपस सर्वे हो, मतलब like job placements है कि नहीं, etc. That is basically a campus survey. Now I think I'll stop here because I just want to show you one more thing, and let me see if we have any difficulty here, because I have just left with the last part of this and then we can stop here. So I'll just stop this because the next part is very important that I want to take on Saturday, but this Saturday we have leave, so we will meet again on Monday. Okay, if probably if I get extra lecture I can able to take. And please students, I'm just unmute to all first. Let me unmute to all and then you can have discuss with. Okay, and so I have that is open to all now. So if we have a query related to that, related to today's session, you can talk, you can discuss, and as well as I'm just sharing the feedback form for today's session. Can fill it that, and then we will see what is the next task we can do. Anyway, is any difficulty? Go to chat box and write down. Go to chat box and write down. So let me see chat box. If anyone having,
Sir,
yeah.
can we get the recording of this lecture? Because, sir, we don't have internet connectivity always.
Okay, okay.
We get Wi-Fi problem. इंटरनेट डाउन हो जाता है तो हम लोग को रिकॉर्डिंग आप दे दीजिए ना.
ठीक है ना.
नोट से सर लास्ट टाइम भी यही हुआ था. नोट से फिर समझता नहीं है इतना अच्छा, तो रिकॉर्डिंग.
Okay. So what I did actually, basically for TYBSc, I'm uploading this all. I'm uploading this videos on YouTube. Okay. So I will share the link of that YouTube. You can just click on that link and you can because see क्या होता है, files जो होते हैं ना वो 200-300 MB के बनते हैं. Even sharing that is also difficult. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So that is one task. It's a very big task. Why I'm saying because per day we are taking 4 lectures. तो अगर 400 MB का बनेगा तो मुझे लगता है 1 GB per day बन जाता है. So even if I put on drive, तो भी बहुत ज़्यादा GB बनेगा. So that is one difficult task for us to uploading. So, but still I'll try to upload. I'm trying to upload few things. Possible जहाँ तक हो सकता है मैं करूँगा. Or you can visit to that. You can say on site and you can see that YouTube. So for a being, I'm just uploading this feedback. You can just what you have to do here in that feedback form. अभी आपको पहले feedback पे नहीं जाना है, आपको पहले screen देखना है आपको. So I'm just sharing another screen here. Just give me 5 minutes, because I will bind up in 5 minutes. See, I hope you can able to see my screen here.
Yes, sir. Well, sir.
Yeah. So this is a feedback for the students, and at the end of every lectures, you have to fill this feedback form. So you are supposed to write your email ID, and please don't write wrong email ID. You are supposed to put correct email ID. Write your name. Select your class, whether you are FY, SY, TY. Don't select TY and FY. Select SY. Otherwise, it will go to the TY. Then select subject. Means subject statistics by default it is there. Write the topic. अभी topic आप क्या लिखोगे आज? आज हमने कौन सा topic पढ़ा? Can you tell me which topic we have studied?
Sampling frame.
Sorry?
Sampling survey.
Sampling survey. So from where we have begun? We have started from census survey, right? So you can just write one census survey. One can and sampling, non-sampling. But better जहाँ से because क्या होता है ये हमने आधे से start किया. Otherwise our topic was sampling technique, sampling theory. But generally we started in between. So just write census survey. Started from census survey. Then put the date. अभी देखो date अपने मन से नहीं लिखना है please, हाँ. फिर कुछ बच्चों का ऐसा response सर हम लोग फॉर्म नहीं भर पा रहे. आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक नहीं करना है. आपको ये जो दिख रहा है कैलेंडर जैसा दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. जैसे आप कैलेंडर पे क्लिक करेंगे आपको यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिक विंडो आ जाएगा और ये विंडो बाय डिफॉल्ट 17 पे ही क्लिक रहेगा. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you no need to click on this month, year and date. Just click on this calendar and just select 17 as it is because today is 17. जैसे आप 17 पे क्लिक करेंगे तो 17 ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा. ओके, बाय डिफॉल्ट. Then you have to put the time here. Put the time. तो टाइमिंग तुम्हारा क्या था? 4 o'clock. तो 4 o'clock लिखने का. अभी 4 लिखे ना आप, 4 लिख के आगे बढ़ने का. तो क्लिक ऑन हियर. अभी 4 लिख के अगर आप यहाँ छोड़ देंगे ना देखो 4 अभी 4 मत 4 के बाद 0 भी आता है, अगर आप 4 लिख के छोड़ देंगे तो आप सबमिट नहीं कर पाएंगे, याद रखो। तो क्लिक ऑन 0 तो देखो जब तक ये रेड है ना, रेड मतलब आपका क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, ये रेड है मतलब आपने क्वेश्चंस बराबर फिल नहीं किया हुआ है। अगर 0 लिखता है यहाँ पे मैं, मतलब क्वेश्चंस प्रॉपर्ली फिल हो गया है आपका। देन सिलेक्ट नंबर ऑफ लेक्चर्स 1 2 whatever नंबर, तो 1 सिलेक्ट करना है आपको। देन you have to select this one, planning and preparedness about topic, matlab what is the planning, whether you can, so whatever you want to select you can select. Then how do you rate the knowledge about the content and communication skills, you can put what is the knowledge about the content and communication skill. Then rate the content given by teachers, तो जो content मैंने आपको दिया है, आपके गूगल फॉर्म भी दिया है, वो content कैसा है। see questions between ये, this is the questions is based on me, the knowledge about content, so whatever I'm explaining, how do you feel. Then ये content क्या है, ये आपको जो टीचर्स ने वहां पे दिया है साइट पे या फिर यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, वो कैसा लगा, that is regarding that. Then how do you rate this quiz, जो हम लोग quiz कर रहे हैं simultaneously with the help of presentation and notes, how do you feel about that. Okay, then how do you interact, how do you rate the interaction between and doubt solving with teachers, means are you getting my point, interaction and doubt session problem, how do you feel, what's the, and then you give the total overall expression about you. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to write suggestion, it is not compulsory, but you feel free to write suggestion. See, until unless you will not write the suggestions, I may not able to, not I, even we even you also cannot improve ourselves. See, अभी जैसे आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है, I tell बेटा आप ऐसा मत करो, ये गलत है, ये सही है, तो जब तक मैं आपको सजेशन नहीं दूंगा, you won't be able to improve yourself. So that's why I have always put this is open to all. Put any suggestion except don't use wrong word. Okay, and then click on submit. अभी कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ कुछ बच्चों का सबमिट ऑप्शन नहीं दिखता इधर, क्यों नहीं दिखता है, क्योंकि इधर जो नहीं, जब कभी भी नहीं दिखेगा ना, तो ऊपर जाने का ऐसा, और ध्यान से देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे रेड रेड दिखेगा, देखो आपको, मतलब इसको आपको सिलेक्ट करके इसको नॉर्मल नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन जैसा दिखना चाहिए, तो आपका ऑटोमेटिक ये बटन प्रॉपर हो जाएगा और यू कैन एबल टू फिल दिस फॉर्म. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो अभी क्या करना है आपको, यू गो टू चैट बॉक्स, चैट बॉक्स में जाके आपको जो मैंने ये दिया हुआ है, आपको क्या बोलते हैं, लिंक मैंने जो भेजा है उस पर क्लिक करना है, जो लिंक मैंने भेजा है उस पर क्लिक करना है आपको. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करोगे, आपको एक ब्राउज पे जाओगे आप, जैसे ब्राउज पे आप जाओगे तो इट विल अगेन सर्वे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा आपका. सर्वे सिलेक्ट करो, हियर आई एम वेट, हाउ मेनी आर डन सो फार. I can able to see who has done this. Okay. So I am just opening that form, and how many are done, I can able to tell you the name. And this is your attendance form. This is your attendance. तो अगर आपने इसको भरा नहीं है तो समझो you marked, even if you're present, you marked as absent, because I have to report how many students have attended his lectures. तो जैसे अभी यहाँ पे अगर I can see there are total 36 students so far here, but suppose यहाँ पे 32 ने ही फॉर्म भरा तो मैं 32 लिख के भेज दूंगा आगे. तो इन इफ
सर ओपन नहीं हो रहा,
ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, पॉसिबल ही नहीं बेटा, चेक करो वापस से.
सर नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है, बता रहे.
थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू बेटा आता है, वो हर जगह है, तो मैं भी चेक कर रहा हूँ.
सर से ओपन कर रहा हूँ.
I think somebody has respond. Just work on and find out whether it is working or not.
सर बार बार बोल रहा है अनेबल टू ओपन द वेब पेज।
क्या बोल रहा है?
अनेबल टू ओपन द वेब पेज। सर नेटवर्क रिफ्रेश मांग रहा है, कितना अभी हो ही नहीं।
बेटा आपका ना थोड़ा कनेक्टिविटी का प्रॉब्लम है वहां पे शायद, ठीक है? डोंट वरी, इट विल गेट ओपन। आप क्या करो मालूम है, सो फार आई गॉट 14 रेस्पॉन्स हियर, 15 रेस्पॉन्स, ओके? तो आपको क्या करना है, आप वो लिंक कॉपी कर लो। जब आपका कनेक्टिविटी आएगा, this link will be only applicable for half an hour. After that it will be disabled automatically, okay? तो आप अभी कॉपी कर लो, क्योंकि आप जूम पे भी कनेक्ट है, यहाँ पर भी कनेक्ट है, और आपने कुछ ब्राउज भी ओपन किया रहेगा, जिसकी वजह से नेटवर्क ज्यादा, इंटरनेट ज्यादा ले रहा है। तो आप सब क्लोज करके वो लिंक जो है आपका वो कॉपी करके रखो, आप जाके वहां पे बाद में अपने ब्राउज में पेस्ट करो। सो फॉर 21 स्टूडेंट्स फिल दैट फॉर्म, 21 स्टूडेंट्स हो गए हैं।
सर ये लिंक कॉपी नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ से।
कॉपी मतलब कैसे करेंगे आप? जस्ट सिलेक्ट करो।
सर हो ही, हाँ सर सिलेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पर।
होना चाहिए, एक बार वापस क्लिक करके
लिंक ओपन
हो जाएगा, मुझे लगता है हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज 23 रिस्पॉन्स आ चुका है मुझे। You have to complete one assignment or one quiz based on that. And as I have mentioned, आपको Google Classroom में वो PPT मिल जाएगा. Go through that PPT. Write it down in your notebook. I hope everybody is writing the notes. Everybody writing the notes.
Sir.
हाँ, very important thing. You write it down the notes. Until unless you not write it, because initially थोड़ा हमारे पास theory है, but after that we have so many derivations. तो derivations को कम से कम आपको लिखना ही पड़ेगा, and even derivations everything is on Google Classroom. Google Classroom में आपके पास सब कुछ है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप जाओ, केवल क्विज पे क्लिक मत करना आप, बताऊं आपको. So complete your quiz one. Okay, so I'm just complete your quiz one assignment. Complete your quiz assignment one. Okay.
सर अब तक ओपन नहीं हुआ।
बेटा आपका कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम शायद मुझे लग रहा है, बट नो डोंट वरी, आप आपका नाम बोल दीजिए, जैसे मैं टिक कर देता हूँ, बट आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए।
सर आदर्श
सर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे लिंक सेंड किया है।
अरे बेटा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आपको लिंक शेयर नहीं करना है, क्यों मालूम है? व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने पास 50+ बच्चे हैं, आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? और यहाँ पे
जो अटेंड नहीं किया
यहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे, तो जो बच्चे नहीं भी बैठे हैं वो भी बच्चे कर लेंगे, आप समझ रहे बेटा?
सर आदर्श तिवारी नाम है मेरा। सर मैं एक्चुअली गांव में, उसकी वजह से शायद इशू हो रहा होगा।
ओके आदर्श तिवारी, आई विल मार्क टू प्रेजेंट, डोंट वरी। और आपने जो लिंक शेयर किया है रिमूव इट, बिकॉज आप ही रिमूव कर सकते हो उसको।
सर मैंने नहीं किया है, किसी और ने किया है।
सर किसी रोशनी ने किया है सर, रोशनी करके है कोई, उसने किया है रोशनी करके।
आई कैन एबल टू सी देयर नेम बिकॉज मेरे पास पूरा उनका चिट्टा है, डोंट वरी, बट टेल हर टू रिमूव दैट, बिकॉज क्या यहाँ पे जो बच्चे बैठे हैं, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो बच्चे वहां पर हो, जो नहीं है वो भी आप सिलेक्ट करके कर लेंगे, बट एनीवेज टेल हर टू जस्ट रिमूव दैट लिंक, ओके? Yeah, remove.
किया
I
सर,
got
रिमूव
that.
किया उसने.
हाँ. Or complete your quiz 1 assignment as soon as possible within this week.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
हेलो सर.
बोलिए.
सर मेरा वो गूगल क्लासरूम पे मैंने साइन इन किया है, पर अभी आपने नाम लिया उसमें बोले कि नहीं किया है करके.
तो बेटा आप तो बोलते ही नहीं है कुछ. नाम तो मैं 4 बार लिया.
नहीं, वो मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू था, मेरा आवाज नहीं पहुंच रहा था आपके साथ.
मेरा भी यही प्रॉब्लम, नेटवर्क इश्यू है. नाम बोलिए बेटा आपका.
शुभम शेडेकर.
शुभम. लेट मी चेक योर ईमेल आईडी बिकॉज ईमेल आईडी कुछ गड़बड़ लिखा है आपने. शुभम शेडेकर 424120001 यही है.
हाँ यस सर.
तो इधर तो इनवाइटेड दिख रहा है मुझे.
नहीं, आप बोले कि ज्वाइन नहीं किया है कि.
हाँ इधर तो अपडेट नहीं है. इधर आपका नाम इनवाइटेड है बट यू हैव नॉट ज्वाइंड.
सर पर मुझे वो पीडीएफ वगैरह दिखा, मैंने कॉपी किया नोट्स.
बट कभी किया आपने? आज
मतलब
अभी?
आपने नहीं हो गए 2 दिन.
But here I cannot see because it is not showing you are joined.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
हेलो सर.
बोलिए.
सर मुझे भी नहीं आया
बेटा आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
गूगल क्लास